The acai berry, a superfood with weight loss potential. Obesity is spreading like an epidemic since only 30% of the US population is in a healthy weight, while 70% falls into categories of overweight and obesity. Weight gain is the root cause of several diseases, such as diabetes, hypertension. That's why losing weight is essential to increase the quality of your life and enhance longevity. If you are trying to lose weight and fail with the regular fat-burning methods like exercising and taking a low-calorie diet, and searching for a wonder ingredient that helps you with your weight loss journey, then try acai berry supplements. Acai berry, native to Brazil, is a purple-colored fruit like grapes. It is becoming popular among nutritionists as a superfood because of its high nutrient content, low calories, and a vast range of health benefits, and how acai berries may help you lose weight and help with detoxification. Increase your energy levels. This wonder fruit contains many antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to increase your stamina and energy levels. The increased energy levels may help you combat fatigue for longer and work out for longer periods in a single training session, allowing you to attain weight loss goals earlier. Acai berry also contains amino acids that can improve your exercise performance to gain muscles and increase strength. Aid in detoxification. The high fiber content in acai berries can cleanse and detoxify your digestive tract and eliminate toxins and stored fats, to help you stay active and healthy and help you lose weight. Help with digestion. With their fiber content, acai berries may help regulate bowel movements and keep your digestive system functioning. Healthy digestion and colon cleansing are key parts of weight loss, as it prevents sluggish digestion that leads to feeling bloated and heavy. Boost your metabolism. Acai berry contains essential fatty acids besides high in fiber that may help boost your metabolism to process the food and absorb more nutrients. It may help you lose weight and burn fat more. Acai berries may also help lower the side effects of high-fat diets. Reduce your hunger. Acai berry may help suppress your appetite, curb cravings, and enhance the feelings of fullness. It will help you stick to your diet and achieve weight loss goals earlier. Reduce oxidative stress. Free radicals can damage your healthy cells and glands, making you more prone to illnesses and aging. Acai berries have 20 times more antioxidants than grapes and 2 times more antioxidants than blueberries, strengthening your cells and reducing oxidative stress caused by free radicals. As a bottom line, besides adopting a healthy lifestyle, eating a low-calorie diet, exercising, and getting enough sleep, acai berry supplements may help give you a boost to burn fat and achieve your weight loss goals and a better look earlier.